Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to check prerequisites fast. Confirm your iPhone model, iOS version, and free storage so backups can complete. Next, make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID and that iCloud backup is enabled. This verifies whether call logs could exist in a backup. Once done, open Settings Phone and ensure call history isn't set to auto-delete. These first actions immediately establish where to look and prevent further loss before you attempt recovery. Now choose a restoration path based on where backups exist. If you have an iCloud backup dated before the loss, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset Erase all content and settings, then Restore from iCloud. This recovers call history embedded in that backup. If you backed up to a Mac or PC, connect to Finder or iTunes and restore the encrypted backup to preserve call metadata. For selective retrieval, you can use reputable third-party tools that read backups or the device directly, but make sure you authorize and trust the software first. Finish by verifying call logs, open phone recents, and also check iCloud. Com account data if available. If you don't see entries, double-check the backup timestamps and try restoring a different backup or the local encrypted copy. Make sure you avoid adding new data to the phone before retrying, because writes can overwrite recoverable records. If recovery still fails, contact Apple support for options. They can confirm backup integrity. One tip: if
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.